Welcome. Food is a cause and a cure. For factual nutrition information, please subscribe to our channel. Health benefits of kefir. Kefir is a dairy product prepared from different milk types, such as goat, buffalo, sheep, camel, or cow via microbial fermentation, inoculating milk with kefir grains. How does it work? Kefir contains actively growing bacteria and yeast. Their effect on milk results in the production of enzymes and chemicals that affect the way food is digested. High in nutrients and probiotics. Many people consider it to be healthier than yogurt. Kefir is an excellent source of many nutrients with a wide variety of bioactive compounds, including organic acids and peptides that contribute to its health benefits. Kefir is a fermented milk drink, cultured from kefir grains. It is a rich source of calcium, protein and B vitamins. Yogurt is the best-known probiotic food in the Western diet, but kefir is actually a much more potent source. Certain probiotics in kefir are believed to protect against infections. Kefir, a type of carbohydrate present in kefir, also has antibacterial properties. Some test tube and animal studies indicate that kefir can inhibit cancer cell growth. Kefir made from dairy is an excellent source of calcium, and full-fat dairy kefir also contains vitamin K2. These nutrients have major benefits for bone health and lower the risk of osteoporosis. Probiotics like kefir can treat several forms of diarrhea and various digestive diseases. Kefir is low in lactose because its lactic acid bacteria have already pre-digested the lactose. People who have lactose intolerance can often drink kefir without problems. Kefir made from goat milk and soy milk showed an anti-diabetic action in animal studies. Studies suggest that kefir can boost the immune system. The research demonstrated that kefir could lower cholesterol. A study showed the protective effect of kefir in fatty liver. Animal studies reported that kefir consumption reduced body weight and total cholesterol in obese mice. If you are not sure about the quality of store-bought kefir, you can easily make it at home. When combined with fresh fruit, kefir makes for a healthy and scrumptious dessert. Let us look into the process. The process is very simple. Put 1 to 2 tablespoons, which is 14 to 28 grams of kefir grains, into a small jar. The more you use it, the faster it will culture. Add around 2 cups or 500 milliliters of milk, preferably organic or even raw. Milk from grass-fed cows is healthiest. Leave 1 inch, which is 2.5 centimeters of room at the top of the jar. You can add some full-fat cream if you desire thicker kefir. Put the lid on and leave it for 12 to 36 hours at room temperature. That is it. Get started with kefir today to make the most of this tasty, sour drink. Healthy Eating Bowl is an informative nutritional website that provides factual knowledge from researched peer-reviewed articles.